Hey, it's Stylish, back with another hair tutorial. Today is a little different though, y'all, because this is my first attempt. What I was trying to go for was a swoop low knot bun, but we gonna see what I end up getting today. So of course y'all can see my hair was already, just flat ironed out or whatever. It's the next day. So first thing you want to do is start out doing your ponytail. You want it to be real flat or whatever. So this is what I did. I also use different products. I usually just use gel and, my slick down be fine. But that was not the case this time. I used Tresemme holding spray. And I also ended up started using the Eco Booster gel. Like I said, I like using gel better, and next time probably I like the Eco Booster gel too. But we'll talk about that a little bit later into this. So like I said, you want to just start out with your holding spray or your gel. Don't use both. And just keep slicking it down as you put that ponytail together. If you do it in like layers, the ponytail will be more slicker. It'll lay down better for you. So as y'all can see, this whole time I've been using the holding spray for the ponytail. I eventually ended, I'm going to just go ahead and tell y'all now, I eventually ended up starting mixing it with the Eco Booster. And let me just tell y'all, a few days in, I was not feeling the buildup. You know how it just started looking white and flaky and out it? That's what happened. So that's why in the beginning of the video I said don't mix it. Just use either or. Like usually I use freeze spray. I usually use freeze spray. I'm trying to say the yellow can. Got to be. I usually use that when I don't have gel, which is usually pretty good. So like I said, if you want to use a freeze spray or holding spray, use it alone. Don't mix it with a gel. If you want to use a gel or edge control, use just that. Don't use both, because it's eventually, by the time it dries up and out, it's gonna have that white buildup and boo-boo. That is not cute. We do not want that. We want flawlessness. So learn from my mistake and don't mix the two. Do one or the other. And now for this swoop, honey. When I tell y'all this thing gave me a time. Next time, I'm going to tell y'all, I will do a swoop bang. I'm going to leave the tucked in swoop to my stylist because she was born for this. But me, that's I'm gonna have to work on it a little bit more for me to be like, oh yeah, I'm finna do this swoop. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it to the swoop bang or something because it's a real skill to lay this the way you want to lay it. But anyway, like I said, I'm sitting up here mixing. Y'all gonna see me mix the spray with the gel, and don't do that because that's probably what did it too. You need one or the other. So, like I said, I done put the spray on there, blow dried it. I'm putting the Eco Boost on there now, blow dried it. Although it did lay, like I said, it had that white build up and like within about 3 days. So, I washed my hair out and just flat ironed it into the next style. So, yeah, one or the other. Me personally, I'm gonna probably just keep using gel because that's what works for me. Do what works for you. So, essentially, I ain't gotta keep talking y'all through this. You just use your gel or your holding spray, blow dry it down, and flatten it out and keep going until you get to the very top.
It's foreign.
Okay, now I'm just gonna do the same thing for the part where you swoop it at behind your ear. Just gonna blend that hair in with the rest of the ponytail. Spray it or gel it, whichever you prefer. Remember, not both. And just blow dry it in. Blow dry it in, smooth it in, and you good.
It's foreign.
And there we go, boo. Swoop. Swoop-de swoop. Okay, and now for this braiding hair. Let me just tell y'all, this is not the braiding hair I usually get. And I will not be getting it again. What's that, Spectra or something like that? It was just so hard to detangle. Like, I was over it for real. I made it work, but I was over it. So personally, this brand is not for me. I had y'all saw a few videos ago, I dyed my hair. The one, jet black. So I was just trying to get something that color. And they were like literally out because it was the Black Friday sale. And they was out of the brand that I usually get. So I ended up getting this. And I just hope that don't never happen again because no ma'am, I will be finding me a new hairstyle because this just was not the braiding hair for me. Like I said, it was tangling up too much. Y'all finna see how I was struggling. It's a little funny, but y'all, I was getting so frustrated. Now y'all see I'm right here trying to do the little rope twist for the low knot bun. It was okay in the beginning. It was okay in the beginning, y'all. But then I had to try to wrap the other part of the hair, and it just looked like it was giving, I don't know, Cinnabon or something. It was not it. It was just not it, y'all. But y'all finna see. Y'all continue to watch me struggle with this.
It's foreign.
Like, do y'all see what I was talking about? That was not it. So y'all know what I did. I took it straight on out and had to detangle this hair because I was like, I gotta do something else with this. I tried it another way too. I tried to do, the whole little knot together, and it was not happening. Like, I was struggling, y'all, struggling. And like I said, it was giving very much Cinnabon, very much don't do that again, very much grandma bun or something. Like, no ma'am, no ma'am, Pam. That just was not it. So I had to do something else, do a little freestyle, because I was not going to let this whole hairstyle go completely to waste. And like I said, it was my first time, my first attempt at this hairstyle. So I ain't going to beat myself up too bad. But y'all see, I said hell to the no, and I just went ahead. And I just went ahead and started braiding because that wasn't it. That just was not it. Now, before I began braiding, my plan was to just go ahead and do a braided ponytail. But y'all, I forgot to leave a little piece out so I can wrap it around the top. So y'all gonna see what I end up doing with this next. Okay, y'all. So I ended up just doing me a little swooped braided bun. And I called it a day because I wasn't finna let this style give me no headache. And I just know next time, don't be sitting up there mixing no holding spray with no gel, because boom, you definitely gonna get that build up. And like I said, y'all, that's like one of my top pet peeves when it comes to hair. So just learn it from me. You learn things to do from people, you learn things not to do from people. Don't mix the two. If you don't learn nothing else from me, learn that. So of course, I'm like I usually tell you, I'm not much of a little, I don't really care for baby hairs, but it's growing on me and I'm getting good at it. So I did a little some on the side. That's all for today. This is my finished swoop braided bun look. Like, comment, and subscribe, and always feel free to let me know what you want to see next. Don't forget to follow us on the socials and subscribe to the website.